Hi, Miss Eglin here. I just wanted to give you a quick video of directions of what to do today. And you're going to be doing just a prepositions review. And I know it's been since Tuesday since we didn't have school yesterday or the day before. So you definitely want to make sure you have done this. And what you are reviewing is the previous lesson on prepositions. So you should know a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and pronoun and another word in the sentence. So our examples: abroad, above, about, of, to, up, off, within, with, below, near. And again, those are on the wall, word wall by the window. There's many, many more prepositions. Some of them are more than one word. Some of them are more than two words. So you should have watched the Schoolhouse Rock video on prepositions and then filled in this chart, which is pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so today you will go to Microsoft 365, click on your notebook, so Language Arts LA 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then click on Grammar, your grammar folder, well, actually your name, obviously, to get into your folder, and then Grammar, and then it's going to be titled Prepositions Review and Adverbs. And I'm not going to put it on a class notebook because I don't want anybody's names on here. So this is my sample notebook. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click on this link, and it's going to take you to just a list of prepositions. So you can quickly read through those, but what I really want you to do is go to this quiz, okay? And it says a preposition is a word that shows how a noun or pronoun relates to another part of this, to other parts of the sentence. Select the preposition in each sentence. Okay, so you're going to click here to take the test. Okay, the pen is on the table. Please remember you need to read the sentence, and here the preposition is on. And again, if you're not sure, refer to the word wall in the window or the one online. Okay, I'm not going to do this for you, but see how you do. And then you will move down here to these sentences and then highlight the preposition in each sentence. After 11 hours of traveling, we finally arrived at my aunt's house in South Dakota. So right here, I know after is a preposition. And I'm just going to highlight. And then I know in South Dakota is one I'm going to highlight in. Okay, you can use any color, it doesn't matter. Now, if I wanted the entire prepositional phrase after 11 hours of traveling, it's actually, oh, I missed one here. Of traveling would be one too. So think of what is the prepositional phrase. So here, after 11 hours is the prepositional phrase. Hours is the object of the preposition. Of traveling, traveling is the object of the preposition. Here's another one. At my aunt's house. House would be the object of the preposition, and in South Dakota would be the object of the preposition. So you really need to think of that in order to get all of them. Okay, so give that a try. And there are 13 of them. Okay, so the challenge, again, can you identify the prepositional phrase and the object of the preposition? So after that, you are going to move on to adverbs. Okay, and you are going to watch another Schoolhouse Rock video.
Unpack your adjectives.
On, and actually this should be, sorry, adjectives. I'm going to change that. Okay. So you will watch the adjectives video and then again fill in the little chart. And if these numbers are messed up, do not worry about that. Sometimes when I copy and paste it, all the numbers shift. So here in the video, they're giving you the noun. You have to come up with the adjective in the video, and you can go back and pause it. And if yours is popping up in another window, you can go ahead and make that side by side, the video screen in your notebook here, if that's easier for you. And then there's an exercise here where you again highlight the adjectives. Sorry, that's my Ring doorbell. It's just the wind. Okay, so here's a sample. Cody has a blister on his left heel. So what is the adjective? Okay, so to do that, find the noun, heel, person, place, or thing, idea. What kind of heel? His left heel. Okay, so the adjectives that we are looking for here answer the question, what kind? Okay, so again, do that for all of them. So the adjective here would be left, and that's what I would highlight. Okay. Now, a challenge, if you get done a little bit early, you can copy and paste a picture here in your notebook, write a descriptive paragraph about it, and then highlight the adjectives, okay? That is something you can do if you're done. Of course, you can also get on Who's Reading, Quill, or read your independent book. If you would rather do that, that is fine. Okay, I hope this answers all to most of your questions. And let me know by email or in person if you need any more help. Okay, thanks.